Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you? Hopeful that you will be fine. Okay. Now we are going to start our work and open your English workbook, grade 1. Now open page number 11. Unit 1, Free in the Forest. There is question that my word wall. Prepare your own word wall of the difficult words of the lesson and learn them. Prepare your own word wall and the difficult words. It means that we will find difficult words from the lesson and write it. Okay. Open your textbook. Open your textbook, Free in the Forest, and find difficult words. Like the first one is Jubi. First one is Jubi. Draw a line. Draw a line. Your pencil should be sharp. Draw a proper line and write Jubi. J-U-B-I. Jubi. Next word is forest. Forest. The next word, difficult word, is forest. Draw a line and write it forest. F-O-R-E-S-T. Forest. F-O-R-E-S-T. Forest. Put comma. The next difficult word is falls. One day he falls. The next difficult word is falls. Draw a proper line and write falls. In the next box, we will write the difficult word pit. Pit. Draw a line. Write it pit. P-I-T. Pit. In the next box, draw a line. The next difficult word is cage. Cage. C-A-G-E. Cage. Cage. Write it. Cage. The next box, draw a line and write sad. S-A-D. Sad. They say Jubi in the cage. Jubi looks very sad. It is difficult word, sad. In the next box, draw a line and find another difficult word, village. Bola and Bano live in the village. Write it V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. Put comma and draw a line. Find the other word, free. Free. Write it free. The next difficult word is back. Back. Draw a line and write it B-A-C-K. Back. Put comma. Draw a line. Find another difficult word. Happy. Happy. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. So we have found difficult words. First one is Jubi, forest, falls, pit, cage, sad, village, free, back, happy. So you have to learn it. The next thing is write words that end with it, like sit. In this question, we will write two words that ends with it. In this question, there is asking write words that end with it. So we will write two words that ends with it, like pit, P-I-T, pit. The next word is hit, H-I-T, hit. We have written these two words that ends with it, pit, P-I-T, pit, H-I-T, hit. The next question is write a sentence using one of the words that end with it. Means हमने इन दोनों में से एक को चूज करना है and use it in the sentence. Write sentence. Jubi, you will start it with the capital first letter. Jubi, your pencil should be sharp. Take proper finger distance. Falls, F-A-L-L-S, falls, into, I-N-T-O, into, a pit. Put full stop at the end of this sentence. Jubi falls into a pit. So we can say that we have used the word pit in this sentence. Jubi falls into a pit. Okay students, we have done our work. Have a nice day. Khuda Hafiz.